This right here, this is glass skin, and this is glass skin makeup. If you're interested in learning how to get a glass skin like this makeup, then keep on watching this video. I will show you how. So the key is to keep this glow throughout the whole makeup process. So I'm using a foundation that's going to complement the skincare. The foundation I'm using is the Juvia's Place. It's the Radiance one. It's not a glowing one, it's a radiance one, which means it's going to give me hydration but not take away or add too much glow that will make my makeup start to separate. It's just going to be a perfect balance, and that's what I want. I like to just buff this into my skin and just make this foundation and my skin become one. And I just love the smell of this foundation. You see how I still have the glow even though I'm applying this on the skin? And that's what you want. It's because that skincare underneath is really complementing this, or complementing this this skincare that I have underneath the skin, or underneath this foundation. You notice I'm avoiding the entire under eye area, and the reason for that is because I want to make sure that when I apply anything underneath there, because I do have fine lines, that it won't make it look worse. And I'm just going to apply this concealer right here. The one that I'm using, the concealer I'm using is the Too Faced Ethereal Light. Alright, so now I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer. So you want to kind of keep cream products throughout just to kind of get that nice, you know, nice color to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the bronzer, and I'm using the Dibs brush for this. The color I'm using, the contour is, let me see, it is Retro Rose, and I'm using the contour from that one. This one is so pretty on me. It's so, and I'm just applying this where you need a contour, really. I'm going to apply this up here. So it's more shadows rather than warmth is what I'm going for today. Contour. Look, it's just really pretty. All right. Now my favorite thing is the blush. The blush is it, y'all. I have to use a smaller brush to come in for the blush, just because I feel like I want to be so precise when I do this. And I'm going just a little bit on top of that contour color, but really just focusing this on the parts of the face, on the highest parts of the face, which would be on the cheekbones. And look at that. Look at this. Ooh, it's so pretty, isn't it? This, you see how you're keeping that glow throughout the whole makeup look? That's what you want. Now pay close attention. If you're going to add a powder on top of this cream, you need to make sure that it's one that has a little bit of shimmer in it, just to keep those glows going, which that's what I'm doing. I'm applying this color, honestly, just to set that cream in place. And I'll tell you what, and I do love to do this because it does have some shimmer to it, and when I do my setting spray, it's just going to make it look even more dewier. With a setting spray, this is going to make all that powder highlight that I have on my face just melt into my skin and make the skin look like it's glowing. Okay guys, this is the final look. Look at this. This glow is going to last all day long. All day long. And that's what I love about this, the skin prep underneath, because the glow, it just makes my skin look so beautiful.